Are you looking to learn how to utilize ChatGPT and you aren't sure where to start beyond asking it very simple questions that you could find in Google? Hi, I'm Kristina. I'm an executive coach specifically helping people to optimize their day through automation, use of AI, and so much more when it comes to tools that work for you. I'll be hosting a workshop and it's creating your own custom GPT 101. So this is going to be great for people who are wanting to create their own custom GPT and have no idea what that is. So if you've been wanting to know how to make GPT work for you, this is a wonderful introduction to how to use it and what you can do with it. I'll be talking about how lots of my other clients use ChatGPT to streamline their day, their schedule, their meal prep, anything and everything that they've done. So I encourage you to join me. This will only be for about an hour. It will be recorded, so if you can attend or if you would like to refer back to it as a resource, it'll be available. I will link this right in the comments or in the post where you're watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you there.